welcome. This is H-D Rider Greg. How's everybody doing? I'm doing quite well. I spent another full day yesterday doing some work on this bike. The stop turn brake light thing didn't work right. Spent all day yesterday getting the wiring straightened out, and I spent most of the day putting it back together. I just cannot. These speed bumps, I got to go over real slow on this bike. Somebody else that has a wide glide said they scrape on them too. It's the way that they're made. They're lower than the other Dynas. Anyway, I finally got everything back together. Angled my bars back some more. But I got another problem. I can't get the switch housings tilted forward enough on the right side. Left side is fine. Right side, can't get it tilted forward enough. I can't really see that good out of the mirror without dipping my head down. Operating the brake is fine. But this banjo bolt and the little metal part of the brake line there, it hits the handlebar when I got them pulled back this far. I'll figure something out. If not, if I can't figure it out, I'll take it to my buddy Jesus at JJ's V-Twin. He's a very trusted mechanic of mine. Very, very honest, very good at what he does. I'll take it to him, and I like to give him my business anyway. Because he is so honest and good. To him, see what he says. There's got to be a way to do this without buying new handlebars. Maybe a new banjo bolt, I don't know. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and take that slider if you can't finish watching the whole video. Slide it all the way over before you leave, please, because if you just up and leave, YouTube doesn't like that, and they want to punish me for it. Punish all of us. So on anybody's videos that you watch, slide that slider, fast forward it to the end, and then we'll be all right. The other day when I went out for a ride, I was going to do shout outs and I didn't have my paper with me. And I couldn't remember for the life of me who I wanted to shout out. But I got my paper now, as long as the wind don't blow it away from me, and as long as I can read it. That's another problem. Alright, shout out to Throttle Fiend. Go over to his channel. He's got some good videos. I got something written down here that I can't. Oh, he's got a lowrider S. That's what it is. He's got a lowrider S. So show him some support. Give him some more subs. Watch time. You'll like it, I'm sure, if you're a biker. If not, go over to it anyway. He'll probably subscribe to you and help you out too. I can't remember. I think he's. I don't remember where he's at all. I didn't write it down, and I can't remember. It's colder than I thought. I mean, it was real cold this morning. It was only like 18 degrees, but I kept sweating while I was working on this, and then I got ready to leave. I looked, and the thermometer said it was 60, so I figured this Levi jacket and these half-finger gloves would be fine. Shove this paper down deep in my pocket because I'm going to have to use this left hand here. Yep. I knew I wasn't going to make that arrow. Go out here and get out in the intersection so I can be sure and make my left. That always annoys me when people don't pull out into the intersection. They sit way back there. You can get at least 2 vehicles out here in the intersection. At least 2. To make it through on the yellow light. Once you're in the intersection, you got the right of way even if it turns red. This clutch seems stiffer than the one on my Road King or my last Dyna. I don't know, maybe it's just my imagination. Yeah, it's cold. I gotta get a thermometer on here so I know what the temperature is. I'm not gonna pay what they want for the Harley-Davidson ones or the 4Motion ones, which are the same thermometer. And 4Motion has pissed me off anyway. When I bought mine, their clocks and their thermometers were lifetime guarantees. Now they say no lifetime guarantees, and they say you got to do the guarantee through the name that's on there because they make them for Harley-Davidson, put a Harley-Davidson name on them. Of course, mine don't have that. Mine just say 4Motion, but they won't. They're not. They say they're not under warranty anymore, but they were lifetime when I bought them. So I'm not buying their products again. I'll buy somebody else. Plus, the other people's products are a whole lot less than theirs. All right. Put my hand down in this pocket again and get this out. Or I'm just so afraid the wind is going to blow this out of my hand. Okay, what have I got here? Man, I can't believe how I can read stuff when I write it down and then can't read it. Rascal Man. I think that's what it says. He just did his first moto vlog. His first one. He borrowed Chip Seal's camera to do it. So go on over there and show him some love. Subscribe to him, watch his video, give him some support in the comments. He really did a great job for his first one. My first one wasn't anywhere near that good. Let's give him encouragement so he'll keep doing it. That is cold. I don't know what the temperature is, but I don't think it's 60. I thought it was 60, but I don't think so now. Well, my thermometer said 60, but it don't feel like 60. Beautiful view, my favorite view in all of Prescott. From over that hill there, Granite Dells and Watson Lake. Of course, you Watson Lake on these cameras. And the Mingus Mountains. Most beautiful view around here, I think. Got the same problem I always had with forward controls on a dyno or an FXR. Right foot don't want to stay on the peg. Left foot's fine. The right one keeps wanting to vibrate off to the side. There's the San Francisco peaks with some snow on them. I hope you can see it with this camera. Oh man. It's cold. All right. Well, we're going to slow down to 45 so it won't be quite so cold. Now let's open this paper up without losing it, without having to blow away. And I got no windshield to hold it behind. Now we got GIX16. That's a capital G, small I, small x. Or maybe it's 36. I'll correct it with text in the video, and of course I'll put links on there. He's Eat Your Broccoli's friend. He just started out. So go over and subscribe to him and give him a comment, give him some encouragement. And then I want to give a shout out to Brian Ford. He's over there in Southern California, I believe in the Temecula area. Anyway, he rides a lot of areas in Riverside, West Riverside County and San Diego County on a dual sport, and he goes off the paved roads onto the dirt roads and the tracks. Trails. Always brings back memories watching people ride around there. That's Brian Ford. I got something else written down there, but I can't read it. And then another relatively new moto vlogger, Ride with Cedric. He's in Tampa, Florida. Now he's got a Harley touring bike. I don't know what kind. He's a real soft-spoken guy. He just went to a cigar shop that I guess a friend of his owns on his last video. Gave his friends some free advertising. So anyway, check out Ride with Cedric in Tampa, Florida. He's got some good videos. And here we are coming up to the signal light. I got to shove my paper down deep in that pocket again. I think I'd said before that I wasn't going to make it a point to do shout outs on Sundays anymore, that I was just going to do them randomly. Sometimes there might be 4, 5, 6, Sometimes it might only be one or two, but I'm not going to devote an entire video and a particular day to shout outs. You'll just have to keep watching if you want to see shout outs and see if you're going to come up on there. So I'll just be randomly doing, of course I'll have to look them up before I leave, so I guess it's not that random, but like I said, it won't be in any particular schedule or day or anything. You won't know till I do it, till you see them. I don't know how accurate this digital tack is on this, but it sure keeps fluctuating between about 890 and 1030 when it's idling, but it doesn't sound like it's fluctuating. Oh, look at that, let's feel up! 103! Man, but that wind is something else without a windshield. Oh. And that wind is bad. Okay, now this one is love on two wheels. It's in Alabama, and I can't read the city, and the wind is flapping it too much. But love on two wheels. He also has an excellent speaking voice. Real easy to listen to. So check out Love on Two Wheels. Ride with Cedric. Brian Ford. Let's see, that's 3 of them now. I gotta get that paper out again, but it's getting so hard to see. And it's getting all torn up too. Okay. Brian Ford. And this is, oh man, and it's all torn up. This is the guy that's eating a broccoli's friend that's, I think it's capital M or G, small I, small X, 36. I can't make it out. Well, my phone's ringing. So check all them out, give them some support. They're great channels. Some of them, well, most of them are just getting started out.